You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. How to pronounce in English. Mel Blanc. Yes, this name is from French. Originally in French, the C is silent. It is pronounced blanc. It means white in French, the color white. In English, however, it's usually pronounced as Blanc. Mel Blanc. How to pronounce? English pronunciation, Mel Blanc. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.